All right, this is the Hiipoo cordless hot glue gun. Look at this thing. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and take a look and see what we got. So we got a cordless hot glue gun. This package itself is measured in 6 by 5.5 inches by 2 inches. Right here on the back of the package, you can see it points out all the features. The nozzle, the silicone cap, the trigger, the on-off switch, charging indicator, charging port. Let's look, see what we got here. Oh yeah, got a bunch of glue sticks. Got some normal glue sticks and fancy sparkly glue sticks. So obviously any glue gun is going to be great for arts and crafts projects. And maybe if you're a teacher and you're doing projects at school, one of the many things you can do with this. So, all right, so here's the actual gun itself. Pretty small. It's nice, small, and compact. I like it. Feels good. Has a nice ergonomic feel to it. Oh, look at this. Magnetic base on here. Oh, now that's cool. Oh, that's super cool. Hold the base down. There's your glue gun. Got hot glue on it. You want to get it out of the way. Set it right there. Perfect. It comes with a charging cable. A micro USB charging cable. It goes in right there. Let's fire this thing up. All right, it has a user's manual with the list of instructions and some safety features in there. Definitely worth checking out. Let's get some hot glue in here. See how it does. You want to turn this thing on, you just press and hold the button for 3 seconds. And the light will turn red. I believe that when it is ready to go, that light will turn green. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So the glue sticks, looks like they're about exactly the same size as the gun itself. So the whole thing's going to disappear in there, which I think is a cool idea. You just push that in, load it up, the whole thing goes in there. About 3 minutes after you press that start button, that light turns from red to green to indicate that it is ready to go. Let's check it out, see what we got. Actually, hold off the magnet. This thing is super light too. I really like this. And I like this trigger, feels good. We got a little bit of heat going on down here, but nothing crazy. It's super lightweight. I mean, it just feels good in my hand. So let's see what we got. Let's spray some glue on here. Nice thin bead too. I like the fact that there's a thin tip on the end of here. Comes out real nice. We'll glue this thing. You're going to get a little bit of run over, just like on any glue gun, so you just wipe that off. But yeah, boy, you can really run a nice bead on here. Any length you want. I like the fact that it's nice and thin like that, to be honest with you. Look at that. Done. Put it in the magnetic holder. Let's glue this guy together. That's what happened. One of the cool features, obviously the stand is a cool feature. It's super lightweight. You can take it anywhere you want. It's cordless. It's rechargeable, which I think is awesome. I think the glue stick size is great for me. I don't like it when the glue sticks are sticking way outside of the gun. I think it'd be great for woodworking, for teachers, parents doing arts and crafts. Maybe for woodworkers, joining 2 pieces of wood together before you screw it in to help you set something in place. The Hiipoo cordless rechargeable glue gun. Pretty awesome. Check it out.